The Karnataka Book and Literature Festival is inviting creative minds to design an official logo for the event, and it's a chance for the public, especially young artists and thinkers, to showcase their talent. Speaker of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly UT Khader shared that the logo will be a key element in representing the essence of the festival, which blends literature, culture, and food. For the logo competition, anyone, whether students, professionals, or enthusiasts, can participate. The winning logo will be prominently featured as the symbol of the festival, with the creator being honored on stage during the event. Not only the winner receive recognition, but a prize will also be awarded to them for their contribution. The initiative is aimed at involving the community and giving them a chance to be part of a historic event in Karnataka's cultural landscape. It's an exciting opportunity for individuals who have a passion for design, literature, and culture to make their mark.
So we have a book and literature festival along with the food and cultural organization. This is the first time organized by the Vidhana Sabha legislature. Our intention is to get all the writers, thinkers and readers together to Vidhana Sabha. We want them to be near us. We don't want anyone section of the society be away from Vidhana Sabha. So this is an opportunity once in a year we want to give. This is the first time. It may continue. Whoever comes next year after I am there, whoever comes, it will continue. It should continue.
It will be open for people also.
It is open for people also. And it is an opportunity for the publication to be there. And we give rupees about 2 or 3 lakhs of MLA grant can be used for the books, to purchase the books, where MLA can in government schools and government libraries where he can use. And it's opportunity for all the children and parents in one place. They can get lot of books, whatever their children or they want. And it will be awareness program for the society. So we want having it's a good atmosphere we want to create.
So date when this happens?
So 20th February, 1st March, 2nd March, 3rd March is the final.